I'm going to show you how to record the audio coming out of your handheld radios like the Quansheng or the Baofeng radios. Record it directly into your phone instead of just using the external microphone. Doing it this way, you can cut down any outside interference or sounds around it. So say if you're out at an airfield or something and want to record the over-the-air recordings, but you don't want the noise of planes and all that coming in with it. If you just go straight into your phone, you don't have that. You'd get only the signal coming through your radio with it. This procedure will work with Android phones or with a different adapter. It'll work with iPhones. I'll put the links to the cords that are needed. The one important thing is these are cords here that go from USB-C to 3.5 millimeter. There's a lot of them out there, and only a small percentage of them will work with most phones. I'll put a link to this particular cord, but it's worked with every Android phone that I've tried and any of the iPhones that have the USB-C on it. This cord has worked with it also. I also put a link to, if you're using an Apple phone, to the lightning cable version of this that works really well also. But you'll also need an adapter. These have a pin in them that the audio output on them is a 2.5 millimeter, whereas the standard audio size is a 3.5. So what you need to do is take this 2.5 to 3.5 adapter to use these cables. When you have your radio turned on, you can listen to it, but once you plug this in, you'll lose your ability to listen to it. The speaker won't work anymore, and it'll only come out of this connection on them. You can use a splitter from a 3.5 splitter and still get the audio signal into your phone to record it and then still listen to it and monitor it. With the splitter, the signal coming out of these radios are so weak that you can only use earbuds. You can't use headphones if you want to monitor the audio with them. So you just plug that in, turn your phone on. I use an app just called Voice Recorder. It's free on Samsung store. It's also in the most of the other Android stores that'll work, but it's just simply called Voice Recorder. And with it, you can record really well with these type of radios with them. Plug this in, do the adapter here to 3.5, plug this into the USB-C input with it, and it'll tell you on here it's using an external mic. That'll let you know that the cable worked with your phone. And like I said, I put a link to this cable because it's one of the few that actually works with almost every phone. Then you can just hit record on it and it'll start recording. Now, some radios, not all, the strength coming out of here is defined by the volume on the radio. So if you have it turned all the way down, you're not going to get a strong signal. This recorder will try to compensate and boost the signal to give you a sound out of it, but it's really best to keep your radio set somewhere around the medium range of volume on here, and you get the best sound recording on here on it, and it'll compensate it and try to keep it from peaking and breaking up the signal. But using the medium strength volume coming out of here is usually the best you're going to get for the recording on it. But you can't listen to it unless you use a splitter that goes between here so you can listen to with earbuds and still get the signal to your phone. And you can record it without anybody else listening to what's going on either. So just stop this recording with it. Let you save it as whatever you want. I'll just save it. You can go back and listen to them. This works equally well with the Baofengs or the Quansheng radios with them. So turn this down a little bit, unplug that, goes back to your radio station. If you want to listen to it, just hit the playback here. Now, until you unplug this, you won't be able to hear the sound coming out of your phone. So once you unplug that, start it again, and you can see it recorded that radio station playing on it. But importantly, when doing these recordings, set your volume on medium and look at the waveform and make sure that you're getting the recording coming through like that. I'll put a link to these cables in here, but let me just show you that it uses the same 2.5 on here. Works with the Baofengs also. The TID radios, they work the same with them too. Any of them that have that old Kenwood type dual audio out and audio in like that, this setup will work for you with that and record what you need. These, anytime you're going to use the audio out cable, the 2.5 to 3.5 cables, you want to make sure to use the TRS ones, the ones with the 3 different pieces on here. If you see 3 of these little black rings, those are made to work with a microphone also, but you just want the one with 2 rings that'll work with mono or stereo, and these just put out a mono signal, not a stereo signal. And that's really all you need to do to record it straight to your phone on it. So if this helped you out at all, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.